make roasted beetroot today. It's my first time trying this recipe, and I really like the taste.
Roasted beetroot tastes sweet and earthy, with a rich caramelized flavor and tender texture. Roasted beetroot is packed with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C, which help lower blood pressure and boost immunity. And here's the beetroot. This is how it turns out. Peeling and dicing beetroot releases its vibrant juice, staining fingers deep pink red instantly. The pigment beta-cyanin is a water-soluble antioxidant, harmless but stubborn on skin. Wear gloves or soak hands in lemon juice plus baking soda to lighten the stain. Don't stress. The color fades in 1 to 2 days as skin renews naturally. Diced beetroot glows like crushed rubies, each piece a tiny jewel from the earth. No wonder it's called nature's treasure. That vibrant hue is pure magic. Before roasting, marinate the diced beetroot with your favorite seasoning sauce with Cajun spice, salt and pepper, and olive oil for extra flavor. Beyond Cajun, try rosemary plus garlic powder plus honey, or cumin plus smoked paprika, sweet, savory, and smoky combos. Go wild, cinnamon plus orange zest for dessert style, or soy sauce plus sesame all for an Asian twist. Air fryer method. 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Flip and roast 10 more minutes, edges crispy, center tender. Tip: diced, reduce time, whole 40 plus minutes, have to test doneness. Roasted beetroot develops a lightly charred skin with a tender, almost velvety interior, sweet and subtly earthy. The heat caramelizes its sugars, deepening the flavor into smoky sweet notes with an earthy undertone. Chilled, it turns creamy like mousse. Hot, it stays slightly crisp, perfect with sour cream or walnuts. Beetroot's high nitrate content helps dilate blood vessels, lowering blood pressure and boosting heart health. Its betalain pigments fight inflammation and oxidative stress, shielding your liver and slowing aging. Packed with fiber, it aids digestion, relieves constipation, and helps regulate blood sugar. Science-backed hack: beetroot juice pre-workout enhances stamina and oxygen use. 19 tilde. Fun fact: beetroot was medicine first. Romans treated fevers with it, while medieval Europeans used it as a detox remedy. NASA tested growing beets on Mars. They're hardy, nutrient-dense, and even clean soil. Its vitamin C plus iron boosts blood production. Though pink pea might surprise you, harmless. 1/3 of the world's sugar comes from white beetroot. To a red beet is its glamorous cousin. Plus, to avoid pairing with high oxalate foods, spinach, amaranth may raise kidney stone risk. Space out meals or blanch first. Plus, heavy dairy plus beets equals pigment calcium clumps. Enjoy separately for max nutrient uptake. K tilde. Its vitamin K may clash with blood thinners, for example warfarin. Check with your doc. Plus, processed salty foods cancel out its blood pressure benefits. Pair with fresh whole foods instead. Plus, cold-sensitive folks, skip icy combos, crab, bitter melon, add ginger, pepper to warm it up. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. I've been following a meat-free vegetarian diet for half a year, but recently, on my family's advice, I decided to switch to pescatarian, fish-based eating. Over the past 2 weeks, I've reintroduced seafood like fish and shrimp, only to find I've developed an unexpected sensitivity. What used to taste neutral now seems overwhelmingly fishy. Maybe I should just listen to my body and go with the flow, right? By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. Yeah, I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.